Okay, I know this is going to sound nuts and you're not going to believe that I kind of sort of was loading my quilt frame wrong. Maybe I wasn't loading it wrong, but I knew it was working real weird for me. So what you see here, this is a quilt top. This is just a demo piece. There's my quilt backing and, excuse me, my quilt batting, and this is the back of the quilt. Now, I just set this up as a demo so you could see, and I'm making this video for myself so I will know next time. It's important that you load your backing onto the top rail. This is the backing. The backing goes on this top rail and this other rail here. Okay? Then your quilt top is attached to the second rail. Okay, I guess you call this the second rail. And I'm going to put all the right names on here when I finish. So I had to load the quilt onto here. The backing is loaded onto here. And the batting would normally be free flowing in between. I don't have a fourth rail, which I might buy, and we'll see. So this is the proper way to load it onto your quilt frame. So I'm going to loosen the top one, and you can see the right way to turn this is this way so that it tightens it up. Boom. So then when the sewing machine comes down the line here, it will be nice and taut, but not too taut. So I think I get it now. I had loaded my quilt frame wrong and was having a heck of a problem. And when in doubt, read the manual. Watch a lot of YouTube videos. You'll figure it out. And I'm going to actually finish this quilt, and there's another quilt. These are baby quilts. And then I will come back and show you working on these baby quilts. But I want to show you the proper way, what's supposedly the proper way to load it. From what I understand, there's many ways for you to load your quilt onto your quilt frame. So good luck, and let's move on to the next step.